Hi guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I am here to share with you today some dangle beaded charms that I have gone ahead and created. These are kind of fun to make, so something new that I'm doing. I have 7 to show you in this video and another 7 to show you in another video. I decided to break it up a little bit. So these all are listed in my Etsy shop. I decided not to put them on my own website just because I wanted to get a little more exposure to them. So I do have them listed in my Etsy shop. I will leave a link down below to you. All the prices are also going to be listed on Etsy, and most of these here are an approximate size of about 7 inches. So let me go ahead and show you. So let me move these out of the way. So we're going to start off with, and if you don't see anything listed, it's very possible that it may have sold already. You can always reach out to me and ask, but these are all already currently listed on Etsy. So if you go to look there and it's not there, it's probably sold. And as far as recreating these, I could, depending on if I have the beads or not, I might be able to do something similar, but I'm not going to be able to do exactly the same thing again because I have very limited quantity of these beads and stuff. But anyway, this first one here is a pretty purple butterfly. This has a lot of gold accents. The butterfly charm itself has an extra little dangle on it. And one of the other bigger charms is this really pretty butterfly bead. And it has all kinds of different purple and gold and kind of like a pearlescent pearl bead. They're kind of shiny. So anyway, this is the purple butterfly one. The next one is this pink flower. And I do have 2 of these with this same exact bead on it. This one I have pink flower with pearls, and then the other one, it'll be in the next video. That one is a pink flower with clear beads. So there are 2 of them, so just be careful if you do happen to see it, which one that you are looking at. But this is this one with little butterflies and flowers and a little crown bead on that. Alrighty, and then this one right here, as you can see, the back has a nice big pretty crystal on it. There's that one. Then the other one is this white one, and it has kind of a moon-shaped bead with a crystal bow, and below the bow is a bunch of little pearls. And then over here is another bead, has some silver roses on it, really pretty. The back part of the moon has these little butterflies on it. Then the next one is this cute little bee. Has a little bee charm on it. And I also have a little bear on the other side because, you know, bears and bees and honey and all. So kind of put that one like that. And then at the very top up here, might be kind of hard to see, little bear beads right at the top. And then the bee charm has little dangles with a little butterfly and some pearls. Then there is this gorgeous gold one. This one has a bunch of crystal hearts on it. This is the back side, and it also has a pretty little beaded teardrop attached to it. This one is a double strand one, so it has a separate section of another dangle on it. So this comes like with 2. Just like that. And then another double is this pretty blue one. This one has a bow. This is the back side. Also has some dangling little charms on it. Nice, another beaded crystal bead. And again, like I said, this one is also a double. Oops. Like that. And then the last one for this video is this gorgeous black and blue colored butterfly. Super, super pretty one. Let's see if I can get it in the white too so you can see it. And that's the back side of it. And then this one has two of the bigger fancy beads below it. Oh, pretty. Anyway, these are all currently listed in my Etsy shop. Again, I will leave the link down below for you to check that one out. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.